to be, the governmental organizations are not really integrated through their interfaces.
Some of them are integrated, yes.
Like the communication between those organizations are not there, or is it wrong?
Now, I think you are asking our side. What do we use at TürkSat?
Yeah.
Okay. Some agencies are integrated on OpenID, but as I mentioned, we are just on testing site, not in live. Our aim is handling 215 agency for a simple way to handle it. Our aim is that, not for opening both sides. For example, between two agencies, you need to contact. And all we do is that sending token, put, get token, and etc. So it's so complicated. In OpenID, there will be no complicated because there will be no web services. That's why we use it. Some of our agencies are integrated, but I think 2 or 3 months later, all agencies are integrated. So, and anyway, integration is too simple, just a little plugin. You give the plugin and the URL, and the agency puts on website this URL, that's all. Thank you.
Last question? Okay, if no one has, I have one last question. In the last slide, you talked about the future of OpenID and about attribute exchange. I think it was the name you gave it. Will it be possible in the future to define with whom you will share the attributes? Or
you handle it. You can decide which attributes you want to share with which websites, and that's anyway on your hand again. In OpenID, providers don't do everything. Everything is done by the users.
And so the users have control about their OpenIDs?
Yes, they control their OpenIDs, exactly.
Okay, so I want to thank you.
Thank you very much for your attention.
And I want to offer you So, we are ending the keynote speech of day 2. I want to thank again all our keynote speakers. And I have some announcement to do. One very important, please don't forget to return translators' devices, the headsets, at the end of the conference. Several delegates have not returned them yesterday, but please return the translator's device today. Another thing is we'll have now the coffee break, and the next panel session will start, say it, around 11:40. Please don't forget to take all your belongings with you, because during coffee break we will divide this conference room into smaller rooms. Thank you.